everybody? It's one nice morning out here. So what we have here are bean roaster. This is our bean bin, and I'll show you here. Right here is the roaster, and all the steam and everything from this, it plugged up once, and all the steam shot up that pipe and into the bean bin. And so now there's all these black chunks. Yesterday me and another guy worked on it all day. We got all the good beans augured out and onto a truck, and now this is all junk that I need to clean up. It's just one big mess, and most of it we're gonna put through that auger, and we're gonna have to shovel all of these black chunks into that dumpster up there then. So yeah, I got my work cut out for me, and we'll get some good beans back in here and start roasting again. So put you on time lapse for that. Well, that is one dumpster full right there, and we're about halfway, not quite halfway, so that's means like 1.5 or 2.5 dumpster loads maybe. So now I'm gonna go empty that dumpster. I think we're just putting them in the bigger dumpster, but I'm not sure, so we'll go ask Larry, see what's up. That got way fuller than I thought it was. Holy shit. We'll get this fire back up and then get you guys back on time lapse. We got most of all the loose beans cleaned up. So we're just gonna get the dumpster and scoop up all these chunks and just put them in the dumpster. So yeah, that's what's up with that. Now I have to climb up this tower, and there's a cover on the bean pipe that I have to take off in the turn head. So it's to keep the chaff out from going into the bean bin. I'm getting wore out. And that was the original problem. The chaff from the corn that runs through the same turn head went into that bin and plugged that small pipe up down there. Say hi to Larry. And so that's why we have that cover up there, and I gotta go take it off so we can move the turn head pipe over. I'll show you what a turn head is when I get up there. So we got some views this morning. So this is the level I need to be on, and right here is the turn head, and it has all these little pipes coming out from underneath of it, running down into that conveyor, which fills those two bins. So there's numerous pipes. One is for those two bins, one is for those two bins, one is for the bean bin, and oh, and the loadout bin over there that we have for non-GMO corn. This is not my favorite job to do. It's starting to get a little bit nasty up here, but there's a cover right in here. Otherwise all that would fall down into our bean bin, so you gotta cover it up. Okay, Larry, try and turn the turn head over to the bean bin. He's gonna turn that pipe there to line up with that pipe, which is the pipe that goes to the bean bin. There it's turning. Now it stopped because there's so much buildup of just junk right there that you gotta clean out. Yeah, slowly but surely, I'm getting it. It's almost there. Let's use some more views up here off this side. They look like little toy trucks. So we're in the 9900 that has the other beans in, so get it over there and get it unloaded so it can run it up into the bean bin. Got it unloaded now. So yeah, we got the beans all cleaned up, so now I'm gonna go deliver some bags. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I already hauled 2 loads. I usually check her bin and see if it needs a bag, because she's old and she can't really lift it. Or she might be able to, I don't know. I just always check it and see if I can dump a bag in for her. But if there's some in there, I don't, because usually you want to use all your all the old feed up before you get the new. So you want some candy? Yeah, no problem. Give one to your brother up there.
Okay, thank you.
Yep, you have a good one. So we're going to Leicestershire. So now we got Leicester's done, so we're going to Leicestershire, which would be his son. And Larry that I keep talking about, he would also be Leicester's son, and he would work for us. We are here and the hounds are following. This guy's a coon hunter. I actually went with him a few times. It's pretty sweet. Rocky, hey boy. Good boy, Rocky. There's another one. Crazy dogs, coon hunters, man. Rocky. Rocky. He's quite the dog. didn't get us scooping all the chunks up on video. My GoPro is almost dead. We wanted to get it done, so this is what it looks like now. Got everything just all cleaned up, and we got the auger returned. So yeah, it's a good feeling when you get a job like that done. It's always one you just want to get in the past before it begins. So now we're unloading some corn now. I just got the sample and everything. Scale's going down. He's unloading out there. So when he's done unloading, the whole pit is a scale. So I'll just hit tear, and that's how much we know to pay him. Yeah, it looks like he's almost done. Got it?
I got her.
Okay.
Keeping you busy enough?
Oh yeah.
Always something to do, huh?
This morning we had a big bean mess out there we had to clean up. The roaster got plugged, so.
You have to do a bunch of shoveling, did you?
Yeah, a bunch of shoveling. There you go.
Okay, thank you much.
Yep, good one. So now, to shut this all down, you have all your legs and conveyors and all that good stuff. Your turn head is up above, coming off this leg right here. So you gotta switch that so you can run it into all sorts of different bins, whichever bin you want. You just set your turn head, and that pipe that I had shown earlier turns to wherever you need it, and yeah, then you load it into whatever bin. So you start with your dump pit transfer, receiving leg, hopper bin, fill conveyor, and that's all. I was just talking to Larry, and that bean cover that I'd taken off earlier, I need to put that back on. So we're done running beans for a little while now, and we need to put that back on before we unload too much corn. But otherwise, we'll get a bunch of bees wings down into that bean bin. You might be wondering what that pad is right there. That is actually a commodity building that we're putting up. Big hoop on top, tarp across it. There'll be more videos coming of that in the future of them putting the tarp on and stuff. We'll hopefully get my brother with his drone over here and do some videoing of that. And yeah, it'll be exciting to see stuff that come from that building. But for now, we need to get that cover off and get that cover in. Bang!
Whoa, that was close.
That's it for today, so thanks for watching.